Think you know everything about affiliate marketing? Wrong. We've uncovered niche ideas on Fiverr that are about to blow up. Stay tuned or miss out on tapping into markets that could skyrocket your earnings. In the digital era, virtual reality (VR) is no longer just about gaming. It's transforming industries, bringing immersive experiences to education, real estate, and even healthcare. Imagine being able to take a virtual tour of a historical site from the comfort of your classroom or trying out furniture in your home before making a purchase. This evolution opens lucrative avenues for affiliate marketers. Partnering with companies that offer VR content creation tools or services can be a goldmine. Shifting gears to augmented reality (AR), this technology adds layers to our reality, enhancing what we see, feel, and hear. Retail businesses are leveraging AR to provide customers with try-before-you-buy experiences, dramatically revolutionizing the shopping experience. For affiliate marketers promoting AR, apps and tools for businesses could mean tapping into a market that's ripe and ready for transformation. Then there's the Internet of Things (IoT), a network of interconnected devices that communicate and share data. From smart homes that ensure comfort and security to wearables that monitor our health, IoT is making life easier in many ways. For those in affiliate marketing recommending IoT, solutions for both personal and business use could not only help your audience automate their lives, but also open up a new revenue stream for you. Now think about it. With the rapid growth in these technologies, how do you see them impacting our future? In a world where content is king, there's a surging demand for creative services that can captivate, educate, and inspire. Take podcast editing, for instance. It's not just about cutting out the ums and ahs, it's an art. It's about sculpting the audio landscape to keep listeners hooked from start to finish. Imagine transforming a raw, unfiltered conversation into a polished, compelling story that listeners can't turn off. That's the power of skilled podcast editing. Now shift your focus to the dynamic realm of video animation for social media. Why read when you can watch, right? Video animations bring ideas to life in a way that text simply can't. They're fun, they're engaging, and most importantly, they're shareable. Social media thrives on visually appealing content, and animations can make any topic, no matter how complex, easily digestible and entertaining. Then there's the world of custom illustration services for digital content. In an ocean of stock images and repetitive visuals, custom illustrations stand out. They bring a unique voice and identity to brands and content creators alike. Whether it's a blog, an ebook, or social media posts, custom illustrations give that personal touch that resonates with audiences. These sectors aren't just booming, they're revolutionizing the way we perceive and interact with content. They add depth, emotion, and clarity, transforming ordinary messages into extraordinary experiences. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which of these creative services do you think has the most significant impact on how we consume content online? Drop your answers in the comments below and stay tuned for more insights on how creativity is shaping our digital world. In the world where the green color of nature is becoming an emblem of innovation and progress, businesses and brands are increasingly leaning into sustainability. But what does that really mean for us and for the planet? Imagine every choice we make, from the packaging of your morning cereal to the design of your favorite t-shirt, having a positive impact on the environment. That's exactly where the magic of sustainable business practices and eco-friendly packaging comes into play. Now picture this. You're walking down a supermarket aisle. On one side, you see the usual plastic-packed goods. On the other, there's an array of products wrapped in materials that are kind to the earth. Which side are you drawn to? This shift in consumer preferences is a powerful indicator of the growing market for sustainability. And it's not just about the packaging. It's about weaving sustainability into the very fabric of a brand. Marketing services for eco-conscious brands aren't just about selling a product. They're about telling a story that resonates with the values of today's consumer. They highlight the brand's commitment to not just profit, but people and the planet too. Imagine the impact of having your brand associated with positive change. Eco-friendly isn't just a buzzword. It's becoming the backbone of brand identities across the globe. From creating a minimal carbon footprint with sustainable business practices to crafting compelling stories that capture the eco-conscious consumer's heart, the opportunities are endless. With every passing day, the demand for these sustainable practices and stories is growing. But here's the question. In a market that's becoming increasingly saturated with the promise of green, how can brands truly stand out and genuinely contribute to the betterment of our planet? What do you think is the key to not just participating in the sustainability trend, but actually making a significant positive impact? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. In today's fast-paced world, the quest for personal well-being has taken center stage in many lives, sparking a surge in demand for services that cater directly to individual health and wellness goals. Imagine having a nutrition plan tailored so specifically to you, it considers your body type, food preferences, and even your daily schedule. This isn't just fantasy. Personalized nutrition plans are becoming a reality for many, offering a pathway to better health that feels less like following directions and more like unlocking a personalized health code. Now switch gears to the realm of fitness. Gone are the days when one-size-fits-all fitness programs were the only option. Virtual fitness coaching is bringing the expertise of personal trainers into homes worldwide. It's comprehensive, customizable, and most importantly, it breaks down barriers to exercise. Whether it's a tight schedule, remote living, or simply preference, these programs ensure your fitness goals don't have to wait. But what about our mental health? It's an aspect of our well-being that's often overshadowed, yet it's crucial to our overall health. Today, mental health counseling services are accessible from the comfort of your home. These services are not only making it easier for individuals to seek help, but are also playing a pivotal role in destigmatizing mental health care. The personalized approach ensures that each person's unique challenges and goals are addressed, making the journey to better mental health a collaborative and supportive one. Each of these areas, personalized nutrition, virtual fitness, and mental health counseling, marks a step towards more individualized, accessible health care. They highlight an important shift in our approach to wellness, where the focus is on tailoring solutions to fit the unique needs of the individual. Now, here's a question for you. If you could choose one of these services to incorporate into your daily routine, which would it be and why? Your choice could be the first step toward a healthier, happier you. In today's eco-conscious world, understanding what people are searching for can be like finding a map to hidden treasure. Imagine you're a detective, but instead of solving mysteries, you're uncovering the secrets of what makes your audience tick, particularly when it comes to eco-friendly practices and sustainability. This is where keyword research comes into play. It's not just about identifying popular search terms. It's about peeling back layers to discover what potential clients really want to know about being more sustainable and eco-conscious. Now, picture transforming these insights into compelling content. Blog posts that not only answer questions but engage and inspire. Infographics that paint 1,000 words about sustainability with colors as vibrant as the earth we aim to protect. And landing pages that feel less like sales pitches and more like gateways to making better, greener choices easily. But here's the real kicker, integrating affiliate links within this valuable content. Imagine guiding your readers through a forest of information and leading them to a clearing where the solution to their needs is right there, easy to pick like low-hanging fruit. This is what sets your content apart. It's helpful, it's relevant, and it seamlessly offers solutions through your affiliate links. Now, I want you to think about the last time you searched for something related to sustainability. What were you hoping to find? And did you wish for a guide to make those eco-friendly choices easier for you?